What is Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC) on TaxAct? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about what is Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC) on TaxAct. So the Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC) is a refundable tax credit for the low to moderate income working individuals and families. TaxAct includes supporting for claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC) if you qualify. Here's how you can typically find and claim the EITC in TaxAct. TaxAct will usually ask you questions to determine if you're eligible for the EITC. These questions typically revolve around your income, filing status, and whether you have qualifying children. TaxAct software will guide you through this process based on your input. If you qualify for the EITC, TaxAct will prompt you to provide information about your income, filing status, and any qualifying children you may have. Make sure to accurately enter all the relevant details. TaxAct will calculate the amount of the EITC you're eligible for based on the information you have provided. If you choose to claim the EITC, TaxAct will include it in your tax return and apply it to reduce your tax liability or increase your refund depending on your circumstances. Before finalizing your tax return, review the information related to the EITC to ensure accuracy, and TaxAct may also provide additional information or instructions regarding the credit. Once you have reviewed everything and confirmed the accuracy of your tax return, proceed with filing it through the TaxAct. The software will include the EITC as a part of your overall tax return submission, and TaxAct aims to simplify the process of claiming tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC) by guiding users through the eligibility criteria and the necessary information. If you have specific questions or encounter any difficulties while claiming the EITC in TaxAct, consider referring to their help resources or reaching out to their customer support for the assistance. So this is basically on what is Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC) on TaxAct. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.